Hey guys, it's Kay. Today I thought I'd show you how the Amazon Fire HD10 performs with its MediaTek 1.8 quad-core CPU and 2GB of RAM on modern games from the Google Play Store. Now this Amazon tablet doesn't come with the Google Play Store installed, so you'll have to install this yourself. But luckily for you, I have a video that tells you exactly how to install it. Just follow the link in the top right hand corner of the picture now, or just follow the link in the description. Okay guys, so the game I'm going to be testing the Fire HD10's gaming capabilities on is called Standoff 2, which is an online first-person shoot 'em up. Therefore it's going to be quite power and resource hungry, so a great test for the Amazon HD10 tablet. Now going through the game so far, I'm having no problems going through all these menus. Very fluid and quick. Touch control is very smooth and very responsive. Now I'm going to switch on the FPS counter so we can see what kind of frame rates we're getting when we're playing the game, and I'm going to put all the video effects to high and the video resolution to high as well. So with these high settings, let's see if the game actually plays. Okay, so it doesn't look like the game's going to play with those settings. So let's lower the graphics settings to medium and the target FPS to 30. I must say guys, I'm feeling a lot more confident. Let's see if we've cracked it finally. This is a good sign, we haven't got this far before. And we're in guys. So let's sit back and enjoy some gameplay. Okay guys, I think we can conclude that's a successful mission. Well, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, give us a like and maybe even a subscription. And I'll see you all in the next one.